something told me that it was over, baby, yeah. When I saw you and that girl, and you was talking, something deep down in my soul said, go on and cry, girl. When I saw you and that same person in yours was walking by, and I'd rather be a blind girl, baby, than to see you walk away from me, baby. Don't leave me, I don't want to see you go. 'Cause you see, I love you so much, I don't want to watch you leave me, don't want to watch you leave me, baby. And another thing is, one more thing is, I just don't want to be free. Say I should be by myself. I was just sitting here thinking about your sweet kiss and your warm embrace. Your warm embrace. And I saw the reflection of the tears rolling down my face. That's when I knew I loved you, I couldn't do without you, and I'd rather be a blind girl, baby, 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 sitting Please don't go. No, babe. No, babe. Oh, babe. And I'd rather be a blind girl. Something told me when I saw you, sorry if I almost killed you with this. I'd rather go blind.